Welcome students. In this lecture we will see design of bottle. So let's start. Select start button, go for mechanical design. Select wireframe and surface design. Apply OK. Now here first we will create the 2D shape of the bottle design. Select sketch. Select the plane. Go for profile. From origin point I will be creating one line like this. Till here. Now I need some arc over here. From sketch tool itself I will be taking tangent arc. One more arc I need here. I will be using tangent arc. Suppose I need a straight line here, so I will create a straight line. I will say escape. So there is no tangent connectivity between this line and this line, so we will select this by pressing Ctrl. We will go for constraints and we will apply here tangency, so that we should get tangency over here. Now we will apply here dimension for this complete object. We will apply fillet over here by taking corner. Select this. Now this double click here, I am taking around some 20. Again constraint. From this to this I am taking around some 60. Just move all these things for better understanding. Height of this I will be taking around from this point to this point. From this point to here some around 300. And radius of this particular part I am taking around 150. And for this I am taking radius of 50. Again select this. For this I am taking around 40. I will move this. I will select this axis and this one. We will double click on this. We will take this as some around 25. Now this is my cross section shape of my bottle. So now this is fully constrained, so that we can exit from here. Now we will apply revolve over here. Go for revolve. Select this axis. Right click Z axis, so that it can rotate in Z axis direction. Give here angle as 360 degree. Apply preview. OK. Now this is my bottle shape. Now here suppose I need some kind of design or groove I need here. So I will select this bottom plane. Go for sketch. We will take here this ellipse. We will take here axis. Size of this ellipse we will take here by taking semi-major and semi-minor axis. This I am taking some 25. This length I will be taking some 50. Now this extra part we need to trim. Double click on this and go for exit. Double click on this again so that we can enter into Sketcher. Again go for sketch. Draw the axis from external side. Take trim and remove this part. Just take dimensions as randomly. Go for exit workbench. Select this plane. Go for sketch. Create a 3-point arc from here to here and till here. Go for exit workbench. Now here we have to apply from this to this. Sweep. Select sweep. Select this. Select this. Apply preview so that one shape will be created over here. Okay. Now I need some 3 copies of this. So if you want pattern command, here go for start, shape, generative shape design. In this there is a one toolbar here, replication. In this go here, select circular pattern, select this and here go for complete cron and select reference elements as this surface. I need some 3 copies of this. Select 3 copies. OK and apply OK. Now again go for start. Now here we have to trim this. So trimming this, we will select this and we will select this and this. So he is removing this material, so I will go with other side next element. OK. So like this kind of shape we will get over here. In the same way we have to remove this part also. Go for trim, select this and select this. He is removing this part, so you have to say other side next element. Apply OK. Like this you can remove the shape. After this, here also suppose I need some group shape. That shape also you can create, but take a plane from here with respect to some distance. Apply OK. Now select this plane, go for sketch, create a circle with a radius of, with a diameter of some 120 and radius of 60. Make it isometric view. Now select this plane, go for sketch, go for spline, create shape like this. Exit workbench. Now here I am having a circle and I am having a spline with this wave shape. Now if I want combination of these two, we will use one command here from wireframe. combine, select this combine, select this curve, select this one. If you say preview, the combination of these two, one 2D sketch will be created over here. Now apply OK. Now later you can hide these two by pressing Ctrl. Now here we have to create a point by selecting point. Here you have to say on curve, select this curve. Here at this location create a point. Now on this point you have to create a plane. Go for wireframe and select plane. Select this curve and select this point. So plane will be created over here, normal to curve. Select this plane. Go for sketch. Now here you have to create a circle with some dimensions. I am taking some 20 diameter. Select this point, right click, coincident, exit workbench. Now here you have to sweep this circle around this curve. Go to surfaces. In this select sweep. Select this. Select this one. Go for preview and apply OK. Now you need again multiple copies of this particular shape. Now you have to go for replication. Go for rectangular pattern. Select this. Reference element, you have to select this axis. I need some 3 element with a gap of some this kind of gap I need. I need to apply OK. Now I need to remove the material over here. For removing the material, we will use here trim. Select trim. First select this and select this. It is removing inside, so say other side previous element, so that external material will remove. OK. So you can achieve this kind of shape. Now again go for trim. Select this. Select this. You have to say other side previous element. Apply OK. Now here if you need fillet for smooth curvatures, go for fillets. In this select edge fillet. Select here. Select here and select here and give radius of some 5 and you can give some 8 also. In view toolbar keep it to shading, only shading, so that you can see only smooth edges. Now if I want to apply fillet at this location also, select edge fillet, select this, select this, select this, give some radius as 3, 4, apply OK. You will get smoothness like this. Now here we have to assign the thickness for our bottle. So go for start, mechanical design, select part design. In surface based features we have an option of thick surface. Select this complete bottle, whether you need inside thickness or outside thickness. Select and change the direction, say preview and apply OK. Then later on we have inside surfaces over here. These surfaces if I want to remove, so we cannot remove, we have to hide here. Click here, select all these things by pressing Ctrl. Right click and say hide. So like this you can create bottle in wireframe and surface design. In next lecture we will see introduction of assembly design and its methods. Thank you.